Hello, this is Heather Scott, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of my Bitmoji virtual classroom. Here you can see the first page of my classroom. It's basically like the front of the classroom. Everything in here is clickable, including the agenda. There's a calmness room, information about weather, the calendar, brain break activities, class dojo, the classroom rules and expectations, a source to email me, as well as this little dancing llama. And if you see this dancing llama in any of the other slides and you click on it, it will take you back here to the home page. If you click on the pink arrow in the corner, it takes you to the next page, which is my resource room or home room, as it's referred to in this Bitmoji classroom. It's referred to as the home room. So here I have all the different resources for the students to click on. I can use them to instruct whole group, or I can assign students individual activities to go in here and click on an assignment and complete tasks that way. There's also a link to the class website and the Google Classroom, as well as a class library organized for AR levels. If you click the happy birthday sign, it takes you to another Google Slides presentation with an interactive birthday calendar. And there's also another email me link in this page as well. Again, clicking on the pink arrow in the corner, it takes you to the next room. Here you see the first four content areas that are available in my Bitmoji classroom. If you click on the math door, it takes you to the math room, and there's a lot of different clickable activities in here. Again, you see the homeroom poster and the dancing llama if you wanted to be directed to those rooms. Otherwise, you just click the back pink arrow and you can click into the next room, which is writing. Again, there's some clickable components in here. Take you back out into the reading room. Here we see epic books. There's different lesson plans. Sometimes if you click on the link, it will take you to another Google slide presentation. Other times it will take you to a website. Either way, when you click on the links, it opens up a new tab on your computer. So to get back to the Google Classroom, you would just click back on that tab. Here is the science classroom. Lots of different activities and websites for students to browse around in this room. We click to the pink arrow over, where you will see a game room, which is used during free time or as a reward, maybe at the end of the week. There's a social studies room, a yoga room, and a social emotional room. And the last set of classrooms covers art, music, and dance. You may notice that some of the rooms are pretty bare, and that is because I'm not currently assigned a classroom. I'm still working on getting my teaching credential. So I've created my classroom as just a structured or a framework for, I'd say, any classroom between kindergarten and sixth grade could use a template very similar to this. And as I get to know my students, I can just incorporate more and more into each of the different classrooms, and I can customize more of the class rules and different components in here to fit whichever needs are for this specific group of students. So thank you for watching my little tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.